In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two PDF files using Copilot Chat. This is a quick and practical way to review differences between documents without having to manually scan through each page yourself. If you're comparing updated reports, revised contracts, draft versions, or any other PDF files, Copilot Chat can help you identify the main changes much faster. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Copilot Chat website, or simply open the Copilot app on your device if you already have it installed. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account so you can access the full range of Copilot features. If you're not signed in, some options may be limited, so it's a good idea to check that first before continuing. Next, find the two PDF files you want to compare on your computer. It helps to know exactly where they're saved ahead of time because that will make the upload process smoother and quicker. Now, look near the chat input box for the attachment button. Depending on the version you're using, this may appear as a paperclip icon or a plus symbol. Click that button and select your first PDF file to upload it into the chat. After the first file is attached, repeat the exact same process for the second PDF so that both documents are included in the conversation. Once both PDF files are uploaded, click into the chat box and type a clear prompt. For example, you can write, compare these two PDF files and list the main differences, and then press enter. Using a direct and specific prompt helps Copilot understand exactly what you want, which usually leads to a more useful and organized response. After that, give Copilot a moment to process the files and generate the comparison. Read through the response carefully to review the detailed analysis. It may highlight content changes, wording differences, missing sections, or other important updates between the two PDFs. If you need more detail, continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions in the chat. For example, you can ask for a summary of the biggest changes, request a section-by-section comparison, or ask Copilot to focus on specific updates. This is especially helpful when you want more than just a general overview. And that's all you need to do to compare two PDF files using Copilot Chat. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other helpful tutorials.